Hello students, welcome back to my class. So today we are going to start our B reading of the unit 3rd. So this is a story which is in the form of a play. So in a play, what will be there? Narrator, and there will be 2 or 3 characters. So that is called a play. So let's see how many characters are there and is there is a narrator or not. So the name of the B reading is The Three Little Rabbits. Scene 1. So what is happening in the scene 1? Let's see. What are the characters and who are the characters? There is a narrator. As I said, this is a play. So in play, there will be a narrator and there will be characters also. So the characters are Rabbit 1, Rabbit 2 and Rabbit 3, as you can see in your textbook. So there are 3 rabbits and their names are Rabbit 1, Rabbit 2, Rabbit 3. So let's see what is the play is telling us about by using these characters. Once upon a time, so the narrator is telling what the narrator is saying us. Let's see. Once upon a time, there were 3 little cute rabbits. They spoke to their mother one day. Okay students, what the rabbits are saying to their mother? Let's see. Rabbit 1. Rabbit 1 is saying, Mummy, I'm a big now. I must go out and live by myself. The first here, Rabbit 1 is saying that he wants to go out and live alone. Why? Because he has grown up. Rabbit 2. Let's see what the Rabbit 2 is saying to their mother. I too shall go, ma. That the second rabbit, Rabbit 2 is also saying the same, that he also wants to go and stay alone. Rabbit 3. What the Rabbit 3 is saying? Amma, I'll also go. That the 3 rabbits, Fern 2 and 3 had decided to go and live alone. Mother Rabbit said, okay, but live together. What did their mother said? Okay, you all 3 want to go. Okay, go. But you all have to live together. First build a beautiful house. Rabbit 1, 2 and 3 said goodbye to their mother. After saying goodbye, what did the mother rabbit said? Mother rabbit said, goodbye little ones, take care of yourself. Here what the narrator is saying, so the 3 little rabbits went out, each one decided to build a separate house. They did not want to live together. So what they have decided in front of their mother, these 3 rabbits had said they are going to live together, but individually. But what is going in their mind? Students, they want to live alone, separate, and they want to build a separate house. They don't want to live together. Let's see what is happening in the scene 2. And they have started singing a song. Why? Because they are so excited that they have left the home and started to living alone. But what did they say to the mother? That their 3 rabbits are going to live together, but they were so happy that they are living separate and going to build the house individually. Individually means अलग-अलग उन लोग रहना चाह रहे थे और उन लोग डिसाइड कर लिए थे कि हम अलग-अलग ही घर बिल्ड करेंगे. In the next scene, scene 2, what is happening in the scene 2 after lefting the home? Let's see what is happening. Narrator, the first little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a bale of hay. So what happened? They have started leaving the house without going much far away. अभी ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं गए थे. When the first rabbit met a man. Okay, met a man with a bale of hay. Bale of hay. रास्ते में ही उसे एक man मिला, एक इंसान मिला, and he was carrying a bale of hay. What is bale of hay? Bale of hay is nothing but a सूखी हुई घास का bundle. As you can see in the picture, students, that the man is carrying under his arms a bale of hay. In Hindi we will call it as a dry grass. Okay, सूखी हुई घास का bundle. So the first rabbit, what did he said? Hello uncle, please give me that bale of hay. Uncle, please give me that bale of hay. Why? Because to build my house. So he wants to build the house. So what did the man said? Here you are, little one. So the man has decided to give that bale of hay. Rabbit, thank you uncle, goodbye. So the man has given his bale of hay and the first rabbit thanked him by saying thank you uncle and goodbye. Let's see what happened with the next rabbit, rabbit 2. After that the man 1 said, man 1 has met with the rabbit 1. Man 1, goodbye. Narrator, then the first little rabbit built his house of hay. What is the narrator is telling in the scene 2? After getting the bale of hay, that the rabbit 1 has built the house which is made up of hay. Okay students, hay is nothing but the suki hui ghans and the house looks like a hut. Okay, narrator said the second little rabbit had gone far when he met a man carrying a bundle of sticks. So what happened with the next rabbit, which is rabbit 2? The narrator is saying, what is the meaning of the narrator, students? I hope if you don't know the meaning, narrator means who tells the story. उसे बोलते हैं narrator. Who tells the story. In beginning, I forgot to say the meaning of the narrator, but I am explaining you here. Don't get confused what is the meaning of narrator means. जो स्टोरी बोलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं नरेटर. I hope it is clear. Let's move on with our story. What happened with the rabbit 2? He has met a man. He has not gone far away. अभी rabbit 2 भी दूसरा rabbit जो है अभी उतनी दूर नहीं गया था. In between he met a man. Rabbit 2 met a man who is having a bundle of sticks. उसके हाथ में क्या था? उसके हाथ में, दूसरे मैन के हाथ में था बंडल ऑफ लकड़ियों का, स्टिक्स, टू बिल्ड बंडल ऑफ स्टिक्स. So the rabbit 2 said, hello mama, please give me those sticks to build my house. So the rabbit 2 said to this man, mama, please give me those bundle of sticks. Why? Because he also want to build the house. Man 2 said to the rabbit 2, here you are little one. Thank you mama. Goodbye. Who is the man 2? क्या किया उसने? उसने जो है bundle of sticks has given to the rabbit 2. Rabbit 2 के हाथ में this man has given the bundle of sticks. So the rabbit said thank you mama and goodbye. Man 2 also said okay goodbye. So what did the narrator said? Then the second little rabbit built his house which is made up of sticks, bundle of sticks. Here what we are getting? First rabbit ने क्या किया? House बनाया which is made up of hay. Hay is nothing but सूखी हुई घास, dry grass. He made the house of this hay. How the rabbit 2 is doing to make the house? He has making the house while taking the bundle of sticks. लकड़ियों का घर rabbit 2 ने बनाया. So let's see what the narrator is saying. The third little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man. Let's see what the narrator is saying next. The third little rabbit met a man with a load of bricks. So what the narrator is saying, अब हमें narrator क्या बोल रहे हैं कि rabbit 3 जो है, again he met with a man. He also has not gone far away. थर्ड रैबिट भी जो है ज्यादा दूर तक नहीं गया था एंड इन बिटवीन ओनली, बीच में ही मेट अ मैन विद अ लोड ऑफ ब्रिक्स. मेट विद अ मैन हैविंग लोड ऑफ ब्रिक्स. ब्रिक्स आर नथिंग बट ईंटे. In Urdu we will call ईंट. You know students, bricks. Let's see what the third rabbit is telling to this man. He got the bundle of sticks and made the home with sticks. लकड़ियों का घर rabbit 2 has built. Let's see what the rabbit 3 is going to say to this man. Hello kaka, please give me those bricks to build my house. So the third rabbit 3 is saying, hello kaka, give me those bricks so that I can build my house. What did the rabbit has said? The rabbit had said to the kaka, please give me those bricks so that I can build my house. So the man 3, this is man 3, man 2 and man 1. Man 3, what did he say? Here you are little one. Rabbit 3, thank you kaka, goodbye. And the man 3 also said goodbye. So what happened with the man 3? Man 3 ने भी क्या किया? उसने भी जो है load of bricks has given to the rabbit 3, and at the end he also said man 3 goodbye. Narrator, what the narrator is saying? Then the little third rabbit built his house, which is made up of bricks. So the narrator is saying that the rabbit 3 has made his house by using the bricks. First house is made up of hay, and the second house, which is made by the rabbit 2, made up of sticks. Rabbit 3 has made the house by using the bricks. So all the 3 rabbits have built up the house which their mother has said to them while leaving the house, build a beautiful house. So these 3 has built up the house. Let's see what is happening next. Scene 3. Scene 1, scene 2, scene. This is scene 3. As a scene 1, scene 2, why it is happening, students? Why? Because this is a play. That is why there is going to be a scenes. Scenes 1 में क्या play हो रहा है? That will be क्या क्या dialogues हो रहे हैं? वो scene 1 होगा. फिर scene 2 में different dialogues will be there. And in scene 3, what is going to be happen? Who are the characters? और क्या क्या होगा? That is again divided into scenes. It is called a play. Play ऐसी होता है कि there will be scenes, and in the scenes, in every scene different dialogues होते हैं. So let's see what is happening in the scene 3. Narrator. One day the first little rabbit heard a knock at the door. It was a big bad fox. So what did the narrator is saying, students? एक दिन क्या हुआ? First rabbit के घर पे एक door की knock सुनी आई. And who was there in front of the door? It was a bad big fox. So the one more character name is Bad Big Fox. Let's see what the fox is going to say. The fox is saying to the rabbit 1. Let's see what he is saying. Little rabbit, let me come in. So the rabbit who is Bad Big Fox is saying to the rabbit 1, let me come into your house. What did the rabbit 1 said? No, not by the hair of my chinny chin. What does it mean? No, don't come inside. I'm not going to allow you. Not by the hair of my chinny chin. So this is a phrase. Not by the hair of my chinny chin. Okay, students. So the first rabbit said this one. It means this is a phrase. Phrase is nothing but a muhavra. In Urdu, we will call the muhavra or sentence in English. For better understanding in simple words, you can say a sentence. It means absolutely not. Absolutely not. Who said this? Rabbit 1. To whom? To the fox. It means absolutely not. Don't come inside. So what did the fox said? Then I'll huff and I will puff and I will blow down your house. Huff and I will puff. It means, so the fox said, okay, तुम मुझे अंदर आने नहीं दे रहे हो. Okay, I will huff and I will puff, which means breathing very hard. Breathing very hard. This is also a idiom. Idioms means muhavra. So the fox is telling, I will huff and I will puff. What does it mean? And down and I will blow down your house. Why the fox want to enter the house? Why? Because he is breathing very hard. If the breathing is very hard, it will be difficult to breathe properly. If we are doing some kind of energetic work, अगर हम कुछ energy वाला work कर रहे हैं, what will happen? Our breath will be going up and it will be difficult for us to breathe normally. So that is the same happening with the fox, which means breathing very hard. Like he is unable to breathe easily. उसे जो है difficulty हो रही थी सांस लेने में. That is why he wants to enter the house. Otherwise, I will blow down your house. वरना मैं तुम्हारा house blow करके गिरा दूंगा. Blow means फूकना. What did the narrator said? So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down, and the first little rabbit ran to his brother's house. So what did the rabbit did? Rabbit was huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down, and he blew the house down. So the first rabbit, what he did? He went to his brother who is rabbit 2. After the fox is behaving like this, that the fox was said कि मैं तुम्हारा घर गिरा दूंगा, rabbit 1 was very, what was? Fear. He was in fear. So he went to his brother who is rabbit 2. So let's see what will happen with the rabbit 2. Scene 4. Scene 4 में क्या हो रहा है? Let's see. Narrator, the big bad fox went to the rabbit 2 house and knocked at the door. So let's see what is going to happen in the scene 4. What happened here? That the bad fox had again went to the rabbit 2 and did the same thing by knocking at the door. Fox. What is the fox saying? Little rabbit, let me come in. What did the rabbit 2 said? Let me come in. To the rabbit 2, what did the rabbit 2 said? No, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, I'll not let you in. It means again the same phrase has also said by the rabbit 2, which means not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. ये एक मुहावरा है, एक phrase है. अगर हम इसे simple sentence में convert करेंगे, it means absolutely not. Said the rabbit 2. Fox, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I will blow down your house. So what did the said? What did he said? That I am going to huff and I will puff. So he means that I am going to breathe it so hardly that your house will blow and it will get down. तो मैं इतनी जोर से breathe करूँगा very hard that your house will get down, that your house will blow, your house will, what else? कि तुम्हारा घर ही टूट जाएगा. Narrator, so the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house out. Again he did the same thing by breathing very hard, that the fox has blown the rabbit 2 house, and the first little rabbit and the second little rabbit ran to their brother's house. Rabbit 1 and rabbit 2. 1 and rabbit 2 went to the rabbit 3 house. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? rabbit 1 का हाउस भी गिर गया. He blew it very hardly that he said I will break your house. blow करते ही मैं तुम्हारा हाउस गिरा दूंगा अगर तुम मुझे एंटर होने नहीं दोगे. So he did the same. He did with the rabbit 1 and he did with the rabbit 2 house also, and he blew the house by breathing very hard. What happened next? Then these both rabbits 1 and 2 has gone to the rabbit 3. Scene 5. Let's see what will happen when these two rabbits 1 and 2 had gone to the third rabbit house. Narrator, one day the third little rabbit heard the knock at the door. It was the big bad fox. Again, what happened? That these big bad fox had went to the rabbit 3 house, which he has did with the rabbit 1 and rabbit 2. He has repeated the same with the rabbit 3 also. Fox. What did the fox said at the rabbit 3 house knocking? Little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 3 said, no, not by the chin of my chinny hair, I'll not let you in. He also said the same words which was said by the rabbit 1 and 2, which means absolutely not. Fox, then I'll huff and I will puff and I'll blow your house down. So the rabbit also said the same words which was said to the rabbit 1 and rabbit 2. What he said? I'll huff and I will puff and I will blow your house. If you are not allowing me, अगर तुम मुझे अंदर आने नहीं दोगे, what I will do? I will breathe very hard that your house will get down. What did the narrator said? So the fox huffed and puffed and he huffed the house, but he could not blow the house down. He started breathing very hard. This big fox, what he did? Huff and puff. He started doing this, breathing very hard so that he can able to break the house, but he could not blow the house down. लेकिन fox जो है घर नहीं गिरा सका third rabbit का. Why? Because the 3 rabbits sat together. Yes, here the important point is here the rabbit tree house has not come down or else get down. टूटा नहीं घर क्योंकि तीनों rabbits, rabbit 1, rabbit 2 and rabbit 3 were sat all together. Hence, the fox could not break the rabbit tree house. Why? Because the 3 rabbits are sitting together. What did the rabbit 1 said? Brothers, I think the fox has gone. So they had thought that the fox has gone. Rabbit 2, no, look, he's coming down the chimney pipe. Students, as you can see in the picture that the fox is coming from the house of the roof. Roof के ऊपर से जो चिमनी का पाइप होता है, that he is climbing from over there to enter the house. So the rabbit 2 said, no, he is coming down from the chimney pipe. What did the rabbit 3 said? Oh, I have got an idea. Rabbit 3 said, ठीक है. Rabbit 2 ने देखा कि that fox जो है चिमनी के पाइप से चढ़ रहा है. So the rabbit 3 said, I have an idea. So the narrator, the 3 little rabbits together put the water tub. Idea किसने निकाला? Rabbit 3 ने. तो तीनों ने क्या किया? 3 rabbits ने they put the water tub on the fireplace under the chimney. What did they say? जहाँ पे fireplace जो चिमनी का जो fireplace होता है ना, they have started putting the water tub over there under the chimney. The 3rd little rabbit made a blazing fire in the chimney. The 3rd little rabbit made a blazing fire in the fireplace. So what they have decided is they put a water tub under the chimney and they have decided कि हम जो है blazing fire लगा देंगे. कहाँ पे? जहाँ fire की आग की जगह है. Okay. They have put the water tub under the fireplace and they have lightened up the blazing fire under the fireplace, near the fireplace. What did the rabbit 1 said? Brothers, look, the fox is crawling down. Crawling means रेंगना. Okay. So the first rabbit said the fox is crawling down. कि जो है rabbit ने first rabbit ने कहा कि fox जो है अब नीचे उतर रहा है. Rabbit 2, I can see his body. Rabbit 3, oh, I can see his head. So the 3 rabbits were saying कि जो है first ने क्या कहा कि he is crawling down, he is coming down. Second rabbit has seen his body and the 3rd rabbit has seen his head. What did the narrator said? Just as the fox was coming down the chimney, where he was, the fox was near the chimney pipe. जैसे ही narrator ने कहा कि fox जो है coming down the chimney, the first little rabbit lifted the lid of the tub of boiling water. So what did the first rabbit did? Lifted the lid of the tub of boiling water and the first rabbit had lifted the water tub which is of boiling water. जो इतना boiling water का जो tub था, first rabbit ने lift किया. The fox fell into the tub and died. So what we have come to know that as soon as the fox was coming down from the chimney, that the first rabbit has lifted the boiling water tub and the fox fell into that tub and he suddenly died on spot. And the 3 little rabbits lived together happily ever after. So what we have come to know from this play is if we are together, we can face any problem. So students, in this way we have completed our play. So the motive of the story is together we have to live, and in that way only we can solve each and every problem. So in this way the story is completed. In the next class we will start our new unit. Till then, revise the grammar and do these activity parts. Thank you.